G'day guys, Matt here from Tradie Web Guys coming at you with a case study for a web project that we have recently, we're about to launch actually over the weekend. Now, these guys have a very unique niche product offering. It's kind of like a concierge service for things like television units and audio installations in residential homes and those kind of things. It's really cool. Very unique, and they need to get their messaging right because a lot of people don't quite understand what it is they do and where and when they would be needing them. Their old website, as you will see in a minute, does leave a few stones unturned in in terms of what it is they do. So we've just they've engaged us to clear up their messaging on their website, build it on a nice new modern WordPress website, so we can start building and developing and scaling some content for them, which can educate and nurture and improve their conversions looking forward. So I'm just going to jump quickly over and show you their existing website. So as you can see, a lot of things missing here from a conversion element above the fold, a lot of space wasted, missing some call to action. It's and in truth, it's quite an ugly site. But as you can see, it's very content heavy. It's not very readable. So in essence, the site just needs to be cleaned up. So we have rebuilt their website on a lovely new WordPress dashboard here. And the cool thing about this is it's fully customizable and scalable. Obviously, we've got some lovely photos of them. We've cleaned up the messaging. We deliver and install TVs and audio appliances just so people know with 100% clarity what it is they do. The Hookup guys can be a little bit deceiving. So we've certainly tried to clear that up with the website with some lovely case studies here, videos, and we've just made their site look nice and modern. And at the same time, put them in a position where we can really start creating awesome content. So the whole point of this is to really want to build them as an authority, and we want to build them, educate people as to what they can do and when they can do it and how they do it, so on and so forth. So this lovely new website certainly does that. They've been great with giving us some content for this site, and we've had some. Again, we're in the process of updating some more, or getting some more photos for them. They're getting some taken, which is fantastic. So we'll update them as we go. Service pages, again, we've sort of managed to sort of format them a little bit nicer so that they look nice with some nice icons and things like that. So it looks nice and clean and modern. And all in all, yeah, it just looks really, really good. So that's all from me, guys. Matt from Tradie Web Guys. If you need help with your website, we can.